Welcome back. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to showing you how to change ringtone in Samsung M20. So first you should go to settings, and you should type the ringtone. Okay, here is the ringtone. You will be getting more ringtones like this, like that. So here is your ringtone, and here you have to click ringtone, and you should choose which one. SIM 1. I'm using SIM 1, and you will be getting more ringtones like. Wait, let me put the sound. Okay. This beep silent. That's all. I'm choosing basic belts. So that's all. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash a like button and see you next time. Goodbye.